Hi everybody, fellow Acre here, John L. Scott. How are you doing? Say, I'm in a beautiful part of the country called Granite Falls. We have got an exceptional property coming on the market right now. 5 acres, fenced, cross-fenced, horse riding arena, and it even comes with its own ditching post. So if you like horses, there's a spot right here to park them when you're inside. This house is really super cool. It's a Pan Abode home. Pan Abodes were super popular back in the 80s and the early 90s. That's a cedar built house right over here. You guys go through, take a look. It's 2 bedroom, 1 bath. It's got an open concept in the front room, kitchen, everything's kind of wide open there. And the thing that's cool about this property right up here is it's got the potential for a DDU, a detached dwelling unit, right above the garage shop area. Okay, so the stairs are right here, everything's good. It's beautiful up there. Plus you got the full house on this side, so you got the extra room. Back in the back over here, we've got a barn. It's got a hay loft. We got a loafing shed over here on the side. Extra parking in the back. This house has got everything you'd want. I tell you what, how about if you just go inside, take a look, tell me what you think after you get the grand tour.